by, as in no material medium at all. Everything is through vacuum. The only way heat can be transferred through vacuum is by radiation. So the heat will get to the man by the method of radiation. Heat is radiated by all objects in the form of, so heat is radiated by all objects in the form of, it's not solar energy, it's by infrared rays. The infrared rays is an electromagnetic wave. Okay, it's one of the electromagnetic spectrum. So heat is radiated by all objects in the form of infrared rays. Okay, not X-ray, not solar energy. So take notes. Which of the following has no effect on radiation? Which of the following has no effect on radiation? Radiation can be affected by some factors, which is one, temperature, the surface area of that particular object, and the nature of the surface. The nature of the surface. Because if it's black, it's going to be a good radiator. If it's polished or silver, it's going to be a poor radiator. If the area of that object is wide, it's going to radiate it a lot. And if the temperature is high, it's going to radiate it a lot. So nothing concerns density with the radiation. Nothing concerns density, whether it is heavy or light. Nothing concerns density. The answer is option A. A perfect emitter or absorber of radiant energy is a perfect emitter, means a perfect radiator. So the color should be black. If you put on a black clothes in hot sun, you will get hot faster. You feel the heat faster. So a perfect emitter or absorber of radiant energy is a black body. Okay, a black body is the answer. The ground is always cold at night because the sun no longer shines at night. That's wrong. Atmosphere reflects the sun's energy at night. Atmosphere absorbs the sun's energy. The earth radiates heat to the atmosphere at night. That's the correct option. The earth will give its heat to the atmosphere. So once the earth gives its heat to the atmosphere will become hot, but the ground will become cold. The earth has given out its heat, so the ground will become cold. So that's why it's option B. So for the next one, the mechanism of heat transfer from one point to another through the vibration of the molecules of the medium is very straightforward. The answer is conduction. Okay, in conduction, the molecules of the medium will vibrate. As they vibrate, they will hit each other, and that's how the heat will be transferred from left to right. Okay, that's conduction. So for number 31, heat transfer by convection in the liquid is due to D. Okay, increased vibration of the molecules of the liquid about their main position. That's wrong. That's actually conduction. Then variation of density of the liquid, expansion of the liquid as it's heated, and latent heat of evaporation. Nothing concerns that. So the answer is variation of density of the liquid. Let me explain it like this to you. You have a container like this. There's water here, and you are heating it from the bottom part. All these particles of liquid that are very hot, they will move up. Their density will become light. Once they become light, that means they are actually hot. They will move up. They will not be at this particular point here. While the ones that are actually heavier or cold at the top will not come down. Once they come down, they too will become hot and they will go up again. So it's about density here. The lighter the particle, they float upwards. The heavier they are, they will come downwards. Okay, so it's about the density of the liquid particles. So the answer is variation of density of the liquid. Then number 32, ice wrapped in a gauze placed at the bottom of a tube filled with water remains unmelted when heat is applied to the top of the tube. Okay, so you're saying like you have a container like this, a tube like this, and there's ice here, there's water here, and you are heating this particular top. You are heating it maybe with a candle. This ice will remain unmelted. It will remain solid. Why? So the question is trying to tell you to check if water is a good conductor. So ice cannot sink in water. That's wrong. This one is wrong. Water is a bad conductor of heat. This might be right. Water is a good medium to show convection. No. There's nothing like convection here. Ice is a solid that conducts heat. No. So the only answer is ice. The only answer is water is a bad conductor of heat, because the heat from this water is not flowing really fast downwards to melt this ice. So water is a bad conductor of heat. Then a room is heated by means of a charcoal fire. An occupant of the room standing away from the fire is warmed mainly by, this one is straightforward, the answer is radiation. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. I hope you understand one or two things about heat transfer now. Okay, the next video will be on lantern's heat and specific capacity calculation. So watch out for the video. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Click the subscribe button right now and then share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'm going to post some more videos for you guys. Remain blessed. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.